back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of October 19th through the 25th in my catch-all planner, and we're actually not going to use these pages again. I'm going to Frankenplan a little bit, and we are going to use these seasonal pages that I took from an 18-month planner that we had. And I just love that it's kind of like starting to get into the Halloween vibe. So I'm actually going to move this guy out of the way today. And we are going to start by redating some things using the journaling sticker book. I've never been a huge like redater slash Frankenplanner, but I don't know, I just felt like this was a good time to do it. So there you go. And I like using the journaling stickers because they can be colored, because most of them are super neutral. Just had to make sure on dates there because did not want to panic. So we got 19. How many of you ever Frankenplan in your planner? I mean, I know there's lots of different ways to Frankenplan, but I've done it where, you know, I have multiple planners in one. This year I decided to keep it simple, and thank goodness I did. I don't think I could have kept up with more than the ones I have, but I am starting to create like different sections in my planner. And I think that is more helpful than trying to like maintain multiple planners. Sharpy is a little feisty today. I mean, he's feisty all of the time, but he was at the vet yesterday. Some of you who follow me on Instagram might have seen it in my stories. He was at the vet, which he's never a fan of, but it was update his vaccinations. So he was a little sleepy yesterday, but now he's doing much better. He's starting to get his normal happy pup feeling back. So I'm using an orange Sharpie pen, speaking of Sharpie, just to color these in. We'll fast forward this part though. All right, so those are all colored in. Now Sharpie may start squeaking his toy because, you know, I did try to play with him before filming, and he was like, what? No, I don't want to play right now. And then of course the moment I sit down to film, he's like, it's playtime. All right, so we are going to be using stickers. I'm sure you're not going. He's like, I got my Dino. I squeak and squeak and squeak. I'm sure you. Yup, that's how that goes. I'm sure you're not gonna be surprised. I am going to be using the autumn kit from CoffeePlannerMom. I'm gonna probably be using a lot of it up today, which is okay. Like, I've been saving this sticker because it is officially fall break week. Thank goodness. So my fall break starts on Thursday. Like that right there. And super excited. So I have school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'm off the rest of the week, which is going to be fabulous. And then I'm going to be using these full box stickers. I think I'm just going to go crazy with them, guys. I know. So let's do, I got to cover that guy up too, but we're not going to worry about him yet. Focus, Holly, focus. All right, I think I want, oh no, thank you. I'm gonna do some silly things. Not super silly, but like stuff I wouldn't normally do. So I don't have any huge plans for fall break. I'm going to throw that out there as well. More of like a, how do I want this one? I think what we'll do is put him just over the edge like that. No huge plans. It's more of a like just rest, relax. I mean, I have some planner stuff I'm going to film because I'm super excited about that. It's definitely like stress relief fall break for sure. And then I think I'm going to do kind of, I said I'm going crazy with this kit today. Yes, I am. No one is stopping me. Right? No one is stopping me. It's going to be fine. So lots of stress relief planner stuff that I want to film just because that is one of my biggest stress relievers. I love being creative. Yes, sir. Sharpy loves squeaking his toy. You know, all the things. So, yes, stress relief weekend. We'll probably keep working on, so for Christmas this year, which sounds funny since I'm doing a fall spread, we chose to redo our, office area that we have in the house. And, yeah, we chose to redo the office area. And so we've just started getting, like the furniture in, and it's looking amazing. We've already got my husband's desk done and his filing cabinet because he goes back to school soon, like online school. And my desk where I'll be planning and doing pink zebra stuff is in, so we'll be putting those things together, and I am just super duper stoked about the whole thing. So let's get some checklists in here. In fact, I think the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to white out some of these guys. Maybe. Did I pick the right one? I think so. I don't think it's you. So I got new whiteout because we all know. Maybe I didn't. Nope, I didn't pick the right one. It's this one. Got new whiteout finally. Yay! And I got my tape runner back from where I left it. Thank you very much. So yeah, so that's good. I think I'm gonna do some checklists, stickers. So I'm super excited about the office furniture. So we did 2 different kinds of like gifts for each other for like the big things. So Christmas is redoing the office, and then our anniversary, which was in July, that's when we said we're getting a fence. And I'm so glad we did. It's officially, and now it got in this week, and it's amazing. I'm so happy that we did that. I'm loving it already. I know, it's just a planner page. I get that. Again, stress relief. Sharpy is taking to his fence very well. It only took us a couple days to kind of train him on, hey, this is what we're doing now. Like, when we go outside, we're not always going for a walk. We're gonna sometimes go over here. I think we'll use this for zone cleaning. I'm shaking things. I'm hoping with the new desk, the camera shakes less, like I can position things a little bit better, because I know that's a problem. Then I think I want to use, that one's just going to be for to-dos. Do I have a to-do sticker? Oh, we can do a don't forget. That'll work. For sure. And then I need something to cover this guy up since it's the incorrect. Oh, wait, no, this one is the correct dates because I grabbed it. I grabbed the right thing, but I'm using the actual week somewhere else. That sounded funny coming out of my mouth, but that's okay. We've got some habit trackers that I want to use. I need Mattel Tuesday stickers, because those are important, always. Although I will say I've gotten a little out of the habit of Tell Tuesday, in the sense that it tends to be Tell other day of the week. But I still put Tell Tuesday down because it does happen. Oh goodness, here he goes again. It's payday this day. It does happen, and I just like to keep it as a reminder. It's there. And then instead of top priorities, I think we're going to use this week. And guys, I am totally up for like making soup this week. I'm going to wipe this out just to make sure. That is done. So yeah, I'm kind of going out of the box here. I do need my habit trackers for this week. I'll use the black ones. Now, if you have not seen Coffee Planner Mom's Christmas release yet, you can check that out. You should totally check that out. I'll put a link to her YouTube in the description and a link to her shop, but they are so cute. I have not purchased yet. Also, she announced her PR team, and I can't wait to follow these ladies because I think they're just going to have so many different fun, oh, Sharpy dog, different fun things to like do with your planner. All right, I think for meal planning, I don't think I'm going to use these guys. This might be it, actually. I think I might stop here just because I want the white space to like fill in some other things. Oh, good gravy, Bugaboo. He's like, no more planning. So, well, as Sharpy squeaks us off, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my Instagram so you can see how I fill this out. I'm trying to remember to take after the pen pictures. Sometimes I forget. I'm getting there, guys. Work in progress. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Check out the links in the description below. And oh, Sharpy. And I'll catch you in the next one.